Hello everyone, welcome to Hunt Electronics. This is your friend Saqib, and in today's technical session we are going to talk about a light sensitive trigger. Yes, so this circuitry has got a many application in our day-to-day life. For an example, if you have got a garden light or any street light, so throughout the day if you want your garden light to remain off, and during a night time or a dark time it should turn off on automatically. Okay, so in that application you can use a light sensitive trigger, or in your night lamp. So when there is a night time, so your night lamp will turn on, and when it is a daytime your night lamp will turn off automatically. So this is light. So let us see how it works practically. So the main heart of this circuitry is IC555 over here. You can see over here there is one LDR and 100. So here the pin number 2 is called at the pin number 2 we are going to get a trigger voltage. Now how this trigger voltage play over here? So at the output you can see here I have connected this pin number 3 is the output, and from the output I have connected to the plus VCC. Means when the pin number 3 is low, the LED will on. When pin number 3 is high, LED will off. So this is the logic over at the output. Now let us see how this works. So pin number 2 is a trigger voltage over here, and here it is the LDR with respect to ground over here. At the dark, the resistance of the LDR is very high in terms of mega ohm, but when the light falls on the LDR, what happens over here? Its resistance goes on decreasing. So let us see, when the light falls on the LDR over here, what happens? The maximum current which is flowing from plus VCC to the LDR, and from the LDR it will go to the ground. This means that the trigger voltage at a pin number 2 is less than 1/3 of the VCC, and when it is less than 1/3 of the VCC, the output at the pin number 3 is high, and when the output is high, as we discussed, the LED is off over here. Now when there is a dark on the LDR, so it resistance goes on increasing up to the mega ohm. So the maximum current which is flowing through the LDR, now it will flow to the pin number 2, and when the pin number 2 voltage is greater than 1/3 of applied VCC over here, the output of the pin number 3 goes low, and as this logic becomes 0 over here, the LED will turn on. So this is how automatically it turns on and off the LED. Now let us assemble this all circuitry on the breadboard, and then we'll apply the voltage and then we'll test it. My friend, so you can see here the red light above and below, that indicates it is a plus line, and the black above and below it is a ground over here, which I've connected from here. You can see the black is connected to the black, and red. Okay, now first I will take the heart of this circuitry, that is IC555. okay, so the notch over here which indicates that it is a so this is the pin number 1 over here. Now as per the circuit diagram we can see that the first one will connect the plus VCC, that is pin number 4 and 8 is plus VCC over here. So I've got some links. So this is pin number 4. Okay, I will connect it to the plus VCC. So this line is plus VCC, pin number 4, and then pin number 8. Okay, so pin number 4 and 8 I have connected to the plus VCC ground. So this is pin number 1. At the last at the pin number 3 is the output for this, and here we have to connect the LED, and while collecting the LED you have to take a precaution that regarding the polarity over here. Okay, so let us connect the LED over here. So I will take one So here it is a pin number 3 with respect to output. Okay, and this LED, so the LED, the plus VCC ground is connected to the pin number 3, and with respect to that, now you can see here at the output I have connected the LED, and from the LED LED minus terminal is connected to the pin number 3, and plus VCC is and a positive terminal is connected to the plus VCC through the resistor over here. Now let us check. So I will be giving a power supply over here. Okay, so I have given here 12-volt power supply. So this is my DC power supply. I have given a 12-volt over here. So it can be vary 9 to 12. It is feasible over here. So I will be giving the power supply to this, and let us turn on. So this is 12-volt power supply. This is ground terminal. This is plus VCC. Now you can see here the LDR is over here, and on the LDR you can see there is we can see here now there is a light over here, so the output is off. So when I'm going to hide this LDR, means if I'm going to make it dark, okay, I can see the output is on over here. Okay, again when the light falls on the LDR, the output is off. And so already I have discussed you, it has got a many application like a street light. So during the daytime, so when the light is there, sunlight is there, the output is off, so it will be during the evening when the sun is not present over here, total dark on the LDR, it will get on. So similar way at if you have got a garden, and if you have got a garden light over there, you can use this circuitry, and to turn on the AC light on and off, you can use a relay over here. So the relay can be turned on and off and show the light in. So my dear friend, this is a small application using IC 555. For more technical video, please my dear friend, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Here it is, see. Thank you.